Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.38 and $6.39 by 2030. Market experts accept Nexo could reach $2.63 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2023 is 60 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learn one thing on account of the rise of cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear. With this confirmation in their algorithmic ability, researchers and cryptographers worked resolutely to foster a unique digital money that could hold most extreme incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable neighborhood cash. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a thorough value forecast of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by digital currencies through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these credits don't need a FICO rating makes them a helpful option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt credit in excess of 45 distinct government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly set aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their ledgers. Nexo stage's establishment is based on two core values. 1. The conditional scale. 2. Making it more straightforward for applications to consistently coordinate. 3. The universe of installments gives off an impression of being going to go through a total change thanks to Nexo, which is likewise a productive venture decision. The presentation of free virtual cards with no restriction money trades has been a conspicuous part of Nexo. The principal advantage customers get from utilizing these cards is the capacity to pay with their local monetary standards, which might be utilized for limits. Nexo key investigation. In spite of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very defenseless and, as other digital forms of money, is vigorously dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a critical increment that proposed a huge degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level force until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents, yet it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Startlingly, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed security, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a critical expansion in force. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As per Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of north of 40 critical digital currencies are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, XE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful going ahead. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many ventures will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the greatest cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value expectation is supposed to rise quickly for a really long time. As per all suitable cost expectation information, Nexo is as of now worth 75 cents USD. Nexo has moved 3.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,251,668. Nexo is as of now positioned 93 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $402,379,996 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Nexo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Nexo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Nexo Value Expectation 2023 Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $1.13. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.05 in cost is very aggressive. yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of 90 cents. Nexo value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Nexo cost forecast has a lot of space for development because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $1.88. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.50 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.65. Nexo value expectation 2025 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $2.63 and Nexo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.41 and a low of $2.26 in 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026 assuming Nexo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers. The Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2026. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $3.38, with a base cost of $3.01 and a typical cost of $3.16. Nexo value expectation 2027 after some broad gauging and specialized examination. We gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.91 by 2027, with a base cost of $3.76 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $4.14. Nexo value forecast 2028 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.66. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $4.89. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $4.51. Nexo value forecast 2029 while Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.27 and a yearly cost close above $5.64 in 2029. Nexo value forecast 2030 by 2030. Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $6.02 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $6.39, averaging out at $6.17. Nexo value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but